The digestive system. The liver. The liver, main functions. The liver's main job is to filter the blood coming from the digestive tract before passing it to the rest of the body. The liver metabolizes fat, protein, and carbohydrates. It secretes bile that goes into the first section of the small intestine, the duodenum. Here, the bile helps your body to digest fats and absorb vitamins. The liver also makes cholesterol and lipoproteins that transport cholesterol through the body. The liver stores glycogen, vitamins and fat, and it detoxifies the body from chemicals and drugs. Let's have a look at the metabolism of the carbohydrates. The liver transforms sugar to deliver energy. Our liver and body are happy if sugar is consumed, but if the sugar is not consumed by the body, it will be stored in the liver, in form of glucose in the glycogen storage. Glycogen is also stored in the muscle, but in a much smaller quantity. If the glycogen storage of the liver is full, it transforms glycogen into a fat called triglyceride. If too much fat is stored in the liver for too long, it becomes sick, leading to dyslipidemia. The fat that the body does not use for its regular function and which the liver cannot store, goes under the skin, which becomes the visible excess weight we carry with us. This can impact our joints, cardiac system, and ability to move freely. Metabolism of proteins. Other important functions of the liver related to the metabolism of protein are the synthesis of non-essential amino acids, the production of transferrin for the transport of iron, the production of lipoprotein for transport of cholesterol, as previously illustrated, and the production globulins for immune function and blood clotting. If the liver does not work well, it can result in bleeding disorders, excess bruising, impaired immune system, anemia and fatigue. Production of lipoprotein and cholesterol. Fat and protein are the two ingredients of the lipoproteins that are produced in the liver. The liver also produces cholesterol. The cholesterol then uses the lipoprotein to travel through the body. There are two vehicles for cholesterol. The bad one is low-density lipoprotein or LDL, which brings cholesterol to the arteries. The good one is high-density lipoprotein or HDL. HDL takes cholesterol away from your arteries. The liver, other functions. The liver detoxifies your body by metabolizing alcohol, drugs and nicotine, steroidal hormones, non-steroidal hormones, insulin, and growth hormones. The liver also stores the fat-soluble vitamins A, K, D, E, B12, minerals such as zinc, iron, copper and magnesium, glycogen, and fats, as mentioned earlier. The gallbladder supports the liver in the metabolism of fat. We have learned that the liver produces the bile to digest fat. The gallbladder provides a storage for the bile and it helps for fat resorption and the digestion of fat through bile salt.